Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you a question. Are you working hard, earning money, but still feeling like you're stuck? Like no matter what you do, you just can't get ahead? If yes, then chances are, you might be falling into one of the most common money traps. The tricky part is, most of these traps are invisible. We don't even realize we're making these mistakes until it's too late. But here's the good news, you can escape them, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, we'll cover 7 of the biggest money traps keeping people poor in 2025, and more importantly, how to break free from them. Stick with me till the end, because once you learn these, you'll never look at money the same way again. Trap 1. Living beyond your means. The first money trap is living beyond your means. This is simple. You're spending more than you earn. Maybe it's upgrading your phone when your old one still works, or dining out 5 times a week, or paying for subscriptions you don't even use. It feels harmless, right? But when your expenses are always chasing or beating your income, you'll never escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. So, how do you fix it? Start with the 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. If 50-30-20 doesn't work for you, tweak it. The goal is to make sure your money has a plan. Because if you don't control your spending will control you. Trap 2. Lifestyle creep. Next up is lifestyle creep. This one is sneaky. You get a salary increase, and suddenly your expenses increase too. You move to a bigger apartment, buy a new car, upgrade your gadgets, eat at fancier restaurants. Before you know it, that extra income is gone. Here's the truth, if every income jump is followed by an expense jump, you'll always stay at the same financial level. The fix? Every time your income grows, commit to saving at least half of that raise before you increase your lifestyle. So if you earn an extra $200 a month, put away $100 and enjoy the rest guilt-free. That way, your lifestyle improves slowly, but your savings grow much faster. Trap 3. Emotional spending. The third trap is emotional spending. We've all been there. You've had a stressful day, so you go online shopping. Or you celebrate a small win by buying something expensive. You tell yourself, I deserve this. The problem? These little splurges add up. And when they become a habit, you're spending money not because you need to, but because you're chasing a feeling. Here's how to fix it. Before buying anything that isn't a necessity, pause for 24 hours. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I just trying to feel better right now? 9 times out of 10, you'll realize it was just an impulse. By delaying the purchase, you regain control instead of letting emotions control your wallet. Trap 4. No emergency fund. Trap number 4. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, you get sick, you lose your job. If you don't have a safety net, you'll be forced to rely on debt or loans. That's how people get stuck in a cycle that's hard to escape. So how do you build one? Start small. Don't aim for 3 months of expenses right away, that can feel overwhelming. Instead, start with $500 or even $100. Put it in a separate savings account and don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. Over time, aim for 3-6 months of expenses. Remember, an emergency fund is like insurance. You hope you never need it, but if you do, you'll be so grateful it's there. Trap 5. High-interest debt. Trap number 5. Falling into high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, buy now pay later schemes, they look small in the beginning, but interest eats you alive. A $500 debt can double or triple if you only make minimum payments. So how do you fight back? There are 2 main strategies. The snowball method, pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. The avalanche method, pay off the highest interest debt first to save the most money. Pick whichever one keeps you motivated. The key is to stop using high interest credit for things you don't need. If you can't buy it with cash, you probably can't afford it. Trap 6, ignoring investing. Trap number 6, ignoring investing. Many people save money in the bank, thinking it's safe. But here's the truth, if your money isn't growing, it's shrinking because of inflation. Even small amounts invested over time can grow into something huge. Thanks to the power of compounding, $100 a month invested today could turn into tens of thousands in the future. So, where do you start? It could be index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, whatever fits your country and your comfort level. The point is, don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Trap 7, not tracking money and spaving. The final trap, not tracking your money and falling for spaving. Spaving is when you spend money just to save money. Like buying 3 shirts because there's a buy 2 get 1 free deal when you didn't even need shirts in the first place. That's not saving, that's spending. And not tracking your money makes it even worse. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll always feel broke, even if you're earning well. The fix? Use a budgeting app or even a simple notebook. Write down what you spend for 30 days. You'll be shocked at how much money leaks away without you noticing. Once you see it, you can fix it. So, let's recap the 7 money traps. Living beyond your means. Lifestyle creep. Emotional spending. No emergency fund. High interest debt. Ignoring investing. Not tracking your money and falling for spaving. Breaking free from these traps doesn't happen overnight. But every step you take will put you closer to financial freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. Which trap do you think is holding you back the most? Comment below, because when you share, you not only help yourself, you help others too. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos on building wealth and financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Your money should work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.